Okay, so this is the XTEink X3, pronounced XTEink X3. And this is what it looks like with the original stock operating system. It's not bad, to be fair. Everything works and it does the job, but it does feel a little bit plain. So, of course, I had to see what this tiny e-ink device could become with Crosspoint OS. First, head over to the Crosspoint Reader website. You basically select your device, choose the firmware, and press flash. Very nice, very straightforward. Before doing anything, make sure the X3 is awake and sitting on the home screen. Then plug it into your computer with a USB cable. Now, here's the part that confused me at first. It will not appear as a normal USB drive. So don't wait for a folder to pop up in File Explorer or Finder, because it probably won't. Just connect the device, go back to the Crosspoint website, select the firmware, and hit flash. If the website cannot detect your device, try removing the SD card and connecting it again. I selected the Crosspoint firmware, pressed flash, and let it do its thing. Also, if you're coming from the original stock firmware, don't panic if Crosspoint doesn't show up immediately. You may need to flash it twice before it appears. And okay, this was the part where I nearly gave myself a heart attack. After flashing, the screen came on, but none of the buttons were working. I was like, wow, did I just brick this thing? But no la, I simply didn't read the instructions properly. After flashing, you need to unplug the USB cable, then plug it back in. And importantly, don't press the reset button. Once you reconnect the cable, press and hold the power button for around 3 to 5 seconds. The X3 should then reboot into Crosspoint. And there we go, Crosspoint OS. The interface is super clean, super simple, and honestly makes the X3 feel like a completely different device. It has that nice minimal e-reader vibe without feeling confusing or overloaded. Sadly, I lost my screen recording for the actual flashing process, so I can't show you every click on the computer. But honestly, the process is genuinely quite easy once you know the unplug and reconnect trick. Also, random side note, if you hear some very satisfying keyboard sounds in the background, that is my new Cerakey 75. I think. I'm still getting used to the name. But the sound? Mwah! So yes, that's how I turned this stock XTEink X3 into a Crosspoint-powered little e-ink machine.